Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Scorpio. Scorpio people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Scorpio people, in this reading I'm going to check your current energy first, and then I'll check your partner's current energy, and then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay? And yes, the most important message for all my Scorpio viewers is that I wish you a very happy new year. Okay, and now let's start the reading. Okay, Scorpio. What's the current energy for Scorpio, please? What is the current energy for Scorpio, please? Page of Swords. Oh my God. Why are you into this energy? Somebody has dished you or somebody has cheated on you by Scorpio viewers. Are you guys feeling dished or cheated by somebody? Because you are into this energy, Page of Swords. You just want to, cut some people out from your life. Page of Pentacle in reverse. Yeah, I feel that somebody has dished you. Somebody has cheated on you. Somebody has promised you that they want to start something new or they want to start something with you, but they dished you at the end. And why your person is in Eight of Swords energy, will clarify it later. Scorpio, I feel that you have trusted somebody in past, okay, or in a recent past, okay, that plus you were relying on that person in past, that okay, this person has given me the assurance that they will start something new with me in terms of finances, in terms of career, in terms of goals, in terms of relationship. It could be anything. So they wanted to, or it could be a business also. So somebody has promised you in past that, hey Scorpio, I'm going to start this thing with you. Okay, I'm going to do this thing with you. Okay, but gradually they lost interest in you. Okay, they lost interest in investing in you. Okay, be it emotionally, financially, materialistically, okay, mentally. So they have started moving out from your zone, and you have you have a hint of that thing, that this person is moving out or this person does not want you anymore. Now you have become more defensive. You have become more energetic. Now you feel that it's okay, it was my mistake that I trusted you. Now I don't want to trust you anymore. I don't want to trust anybody anymore. Whatever is going to happen, I'll deal that, I'll handle that, I'll see that. Okay, so the moment anybody wants to come towards you, you are in this Page of Swords energy. You don't want to listen to them. You just want to cut them out of your life. Okay, once for all, you don't want to listen any kind of nonsense stuff from anybody, that okay, I'll do this thing with you, or I'll start working with you, or I'll we'll start doing this or that, and blah and blah and blah blah blah. You are kind of done with all these blah 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 stories. Now you feel that it's okay, if nobody is going to be there with me, I am going to be there with myself. I'll be my best friend, I'll be my best companion. I am going to trust myself. Okay, nobody, it doesn't matter who comes and goes from my life, in my life, I don't want anybody else. Okay, I don't want to trust anyone. So you are being into a defensive energy. Okay, now let's see what are your partner's current energy. So they have Eight of Swords and Four of Pentacles. They have a lot of insecurities within their heart and mind. Okay, they want to start something new, but something is there which has which has which has controlled their emotions, which has controlled their mind, which has controlled their uh, caliber. Okay, something is there, something has happened with this person. This person does not want to move out from this energy. This person is feeling that this is their comfort, I mean they are into their comfort zone basically. Okay, I mean, I feel that they have seen so many bad phases in their life. Okay, so if they are being into this energy, so I don't think so that it's their mistake. Okay, they are being fearful. They are being, scared of losing their things, losing their mind, losing their money, losing their patience. So they are basically scared to, to start something new. They are also feeling dished. They are also feeling cheated by somebody. Okay, somebody has dished them, or them too. Somebody has, um cheated on them too. Okay, but they are not behaving the way you are behaving. You are being defensive. You have become defensive. Now everything is going to be as per my wish. But on the other hand, your person has become more insecure, more scared. Okay, more fearful. They don't want to, move out. They don't want to talk to other people. They don't want to talk to somebody new. Okay, so they are being into their own small groups or small zone. Okay, they don't want to move out from that particular area, particular energy, particular situation. Okay, plus they have a lot of money. This insecurity could be related to their money and finances as well, because this person uh, don't want to spend a single penny on anybody else. Okay, they don't want to lose their, finances uh, on anybody else. Okay, they just want to hold their money as strongly as they can. Okay, they have fear of losing money. Okay, somebody must have ditched them in on the name of business. Okay, on the name of career, on the name of job. Okay, now they feel that now whatever it is there, it is just their money. Okay, so they just want to save their money. They just want to protect their money. Okay, and I feel that this is the reason they are not talking to anybody else. Okay, because they have fear that once they'll start talking to people, the people will, definitely going to ask their money. Okay, or definitely going to ask for some financial help from them. Okay, so these are your partner's current energy. Okay, now let's see how you see this person and how they see you. Okay, how you see this person, Scorpio, and how they see you. How you see them, how they see you. Death. Okay. Oh my god. So we have death card. So Scorpio, basically you feel about your person as somebody, who has accepted the past, who has accepted their mistakes, who has accepted, okay, whatever had happened with me in past. Okay, now I should start something new. Now I should start, you know um, new venture, new business, new relationship, new something new should be there basically in, okay, with this death card. So they really, they are quite excited about something in their life. Okay, perhaps they want to start their studies, perhaps they want to start their business, perhaps they want to start their career. Okay, so whatever they are going to start, that thing is going to be from scratch. They are going to start something new from the scratch. Okay, and you are also seeing this person that they have been hurt a lot in past. Now they are maintaining balance. Okay, bringing balance into their life. They have accepted the fact, or they are trying to accept the fact. Okay, whatever happened. Now I should move, or I should see what is going to be there for me in future. Okay, so with this death card, you feel that something new is about to start in their life. They are about to start something new towards their growth, expansion, success. Okay, On the other hand, with this Nine of Swords, your person feels that even though you are into this defensive energy, that okay, I'll cut people out from your life, I don't care about anybody, I don't give a damn to anybody, I don't want to talk about anybody, I won't talk about anything with anybody. But deep down you are feeling scared, deep down you are feeling depressed, okay, you are feeling anxious. Maybe you guys, you must have not told your person that I'm going through these kind of emotions. No matter how strong you show yourself, in front of the world, but when you are completely alone, you feel depressed, you feel lonely, you feel anxious, you feel that there is nobody to share your thoughts, to share your feelings, okay. I feel that you guys must have not spoken, or you guys are not in talking terms, or you guys have not discussed this chapter, okay. But still they have a hint that you are going through some kind of a mental pressure, or mental stress, okay. Plus they also see that whenever you try to defend yourself, that shows your insecurity, okay. Whenever you try to protect your own vibes, that show your insecurities, okay. That you also don't know, perhaps, okay. But your person knows that this person is trying to be defensive, okay. It means that this person feels worried, this person feels anxious, this person is deep down, this person is very lonely, okay. Okay, now let's see how you feel about this relationship, how you see this relationship, and how they see this relationship. Wow, we have Sun card. Scorpio, I feel you have still not recognized that this is the person who can bring balance and brightness into your life. I feel some of you have not yet, recognized this fact. But this is the person who brings balance into your life, who brings clarity in your life, who brings happiness into your life. If you have not started, if you haven't started noticing this thing, then please do that, okay. Because this person, as I told you, you must have not spoken to your person on about this energy, but still they know about it, okay. Still they have a feeling that you are really lonely, okay. So this person is the only source of happiness for you, I feel, at this point of time, Scorpio. This person brings balance into your life. This person brings brightness into your life. This person brings clarity in your life, okay. So yeah, plus you also feel happy with their presence. You also feel happy with them. You also feel happy with their thought, okay. Now your person feels about this relationship as Nine of Pentacles. Your person feels independent whenever they talk about, or whenever they think about this relationship. Your person feels that this is the person, or this is the relationship which is making me more independent, more strong, more ambitious, okay. I have to earn a lot of money, okay, to make a home with you, okay. I mean, that's how they see this relationship. They really want to have pets with you, they really want to have home with you, okay. They really want to live a lavish life with you, okay. So they see you as somebody who is the strength of I mean, pillar of their strength, okay. So they feel confident, they feel strong, they feel independent whenever they feel about you, and whenever they feel about this relationship, okay. Now let's see what is going to be the future's potential for Scorpio. What is going to be the future potential of this relationship? Okay, wow, King of Cups. Yes, as I said, this is the person with whom you can spend rest of your life, okay. You need to recognize that. You need to recognize that person. Who is that person who makes you feel happy, who makes you who puts smile on your face, okay. So I feel that with this King of Cups, some proposal is arriving in your life, okay. With this King of Cups cards, perhaps this person is coming towards you to offer you something, okay, in terms of their emotion, in terms of their care, affection, love, okay. Yes, so this person has so much emotions for you, so much love and concern for you. Okay, they genuinely respects you, they genuinely care about you. There is nothing fake. This relationship is not a fake relationship basically. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So, Scorpio, I feel that some of you could be dealing with air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Page of Swords, with this Eight of Swords, Nine of Swords, okay? Some of you could be dealing with Scorpio with this Death card. We have Earth sign in this reading, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So some of you could be dealing with that too, with this Page of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles and Nine of Pentacles. We have water sign in this reading with this King of Cups, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, okay? Yeah. Okay, Scorpio people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye-bye.